freshman Colton Gelding Pacers are lined up. Opening leg of the Kentucky Sire Stakes worth $15,000. A field of 6. A run gate. And the Roth, Best Straight, and Brother Dan both out together from along the inside, and it's Best Straight who has the best beginning as they race towards that opening turn. Brother Dan was out in behind that one in the second spot. Tea House Hall gave away as the trailer as McEnroe Hall continues to sweep up on the outside midway around that opening turn. It's Best Straight and Dave Pallone who have the early lead. McEnroe Hall now up to engage the leader. And the top pair still two clear of Brother Dan, who gave away racing in third. Straight on Liberty is back at the fourth spot in front of Corsica Hall. The trailer is still Tea House Hall. Past the quarter, 29 and 4. McEnroe Hall on top here with Best Straight. Sitting tightly in the pocket spot in second. Tyler Smith on the move now with Corsica Hall. So Corsica Hall sweeps up on the outside. And the Canadian Invader looks to move past McEnroe Hall. Another Canadian shipper. The top two now as they race towards the half-mile marker. Best Straight is back to third. Straight on Liberty. Underway to the outside fourth, but now is off stride, and that's stacked up Tea House Hall as they're past the half in 58 and 4. Brother Dan continues to save ground as they move on to the far turn. Corsica Hall continues on top with McEnroe Hall in behind second. 3/8 to go. Tea House Hall is up on the outside into a third. Best Straight now edges to the outside from fourth, still with 3 lengths to make up, and Brother Dan is a fifth. After the miscue, Straight on Liberty. The trailer as they race up towards 3/4 in 1:29. It's Corsica Hall who is still there at the inside under pressure from Tea House Hall. Straight on Best Straight fans out 3 wide as they turn for home here. On the inside, Corsica Hall is still there. Best Straight and Pallone surging down the center of the track. McEnroe Hall takes a peek at the pylons. They come for the finish. Best Straight out in the center. Corsica Hall is in between. McEnroe Hall is up the inside, but it's Best Straight who takes it. Tight for a second. Looked like McEnroe Hall may have come up the inside to nail Corsica Hall. Tea House Hall finished fourth. Brother Dan fifth.